Students, we are given this question. It's a beautiful question to evaluate integral negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2 x squared positive ln of pi negative x over pi positive x times cos x dx. Now I can rewrite this as integral negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2 x squared times cos x dx positive negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2 ln of pi negative x divided by pi positive x times cos x dx. Now clearly this is going to be an odd function, right? So that would mean integrating that would give us 0, but we are left with this. So let me write that down. So this is equal to integral negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2 x squared times cos x dx. Now we can perform integration by parts, or we can use this DI method which I have just mentioned in the lecture on indefinite integrals under integration by parts, right? I have mentioned that. Now I'm going to demonstrate that method and solve this, and let's see how it is done. Now before we could proceed, we want to know if x squared times cos x is an even function or an odd function. So let me just take the function f of x is equal to x squared times cos x, and let me just take x to be equal to negative x. So we got f of negative x is equal to negative x raised to the power of 2 times cos of negative x. This is going to give me positive x squared. This is going to give me positive cos x, and clearly this is nothing but positive f of x. So this would mean the given f of x is an even function. Now because it is even, I can rewrite this as 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 times x squared times cos x. So now we will apply the DI method. So write D stands for differentiation, I stands for integration. Let me take the first quantity x squared and the second quantity over here. I differentiate x squared, I get 2x. I integrate cos x, I get sin x. I differentiate 2x, I get 2. I integrate sin x, I get negative cos x. This is differentiation of 2 would give me 0, and the integration of negative cos x is going to give me negative sin x. Now we need to start with a positive sign, a negative sign, a positive sign, and a negative sign. And then what we need to do is we need to club this with this, this with this, this with this. So let's do that. So this is equal to positive sign of x squared times sin x, negative negative positive of 2x times cos x, 2 times negative sin x, right? Because of the presence of positive sign, positive times negative will give me negative. The limits are actually from 0 to pi over 2, so we need to place that limits. So this is equal to, applying the limits, I get pi over 2, the upper limit, right? So we need to do that, and since there is a presence of a 2 here, this is going to be pi over 2 raised to the power of 2 times sin pi over 2 negative lower limit 0 followed by positive of 2 times pi over 2 times cos of pi over 2, that's going to be 0, negative 0, so that's gone. This is followed by negative 2 times sin pi over 2. So this is equal to pi squared divided by 4, and this is off. This is going to give me negative 2 here, right? That's fine. So I need to take this value and substitute it here. So therefore, let me write the answer here. So therefore 2 times 0 to pi over 2 x squared times cos x dx is equal to 2 times of pi squared over 4 negative 2, which is equal to pi squared over 2 negative 4 units, right, the respective units. So this is a good place for us to draw the red line. So students, I hope you understood this question. It is a little bit lengthy, but with the useful method that I've just indicated here, the solution can be easily obtained. So having mentioned this, we will move on to the next question.